What an amazing breakfast here. We got here at Panbadi homestay. This is one kind of tree root. This is called shimulalu. I think one kind of cassava. It is cassava tree root. And it is full of carbs. Just like a sweet taste, not much sweet. It is a mild sweet taste and beautiful soothing texture. Along with this, it is a local cottage cheese along with chili flakes, green chili, tomato, ginger, salt. All these are mixed. One kind of just pickle, chutney. It is also great taste. Beautiful. And this is butter tea. Butter tea, slight sweetened, but it is beautiful. Yesterday also drink it after came here with the long trekking. It gives the boosting effect to minimize the tiredness of trekking in the mountains. And you will see everywhere in the Buddhist culture, the DRUKPA people, the Monpa people, all there in Uttaranchal. You will get every villager's home, that is the butter tea. But this is the unique one here. I think it is unique. I never eat this before. I never eat this.